make sure this is going. Okay, alright. So, where we left off yesterday, we were tackling the quiz. We got out of the quiz. So let's see. Start the terminal. Start up a new rustlings. Now we're working with options. So options are pretty cool. As the name implies, they allow you to add things optionally. Huh. No clue. Okay. Let's see a drink. Alright. So, I think I need to just... This function returns how many ice creams there is left in the fridge. If it's before 12, then 5 scoops are left. And someone else eat one. There is no ice cream left. Return none. If hour of the day is higher than 23. Okay, so why? Okay, I don't know why they gave me U16 for this. Can I do match? So, match with a string, let's try that. Match with an int in Rust. I should be able to, yeah, let's, I forgot. So match X, so match hours of the day, and if so this is saying if it's 1 or, can I do if it's greater than? Can I do 1 then? Oh, so I can. I don't think this is a good way of handling this problem, but we're going to try it anyway. So if 1, 2... Okay. So at 22, someone eat all. So, okay. If it's higher than 23... What is 25? Okay, so 0 to 18. There is 5. 0, or this would be 22. Sum of 0. And then else. So if it's 23, else none. How do you feel about that? Well, hold on. So that's fine. How do I get that? I have no clue. I need to like pop it out somehow. Does not. Options are very common to us. So let's figure this out. How do I get the value out? Some and none. So do I say if the results? Results? Okay. Somehow I can stick these values out. So I know I could do something like that. Okay, so let's try this. If let some I equal something like this. What I don't understand is how do I get this out? Let some ice cream one passed, one failed. So 0 to 18. has sum 5, 22, 23, sum 0, otherwise none. And these are options. Makes sense. Remove these, so it just work. Yeah, okay. Which one are you feeling at? Sum 5. Hour of day. Oh, so the left is none. Sum is my comparison wrong. Okay. Probably a better way. So I could say, pretty sure I can do hours of day greater than 19. Sum 5. Else if hours of the day greater than 24. Sum 0. None. That should be no. I thought that would work. I could do return like this. This looks stupid. This doesn't feel Rust. Unnecessary parentheses. Really? Now, how would you handle this? I guess is the question. I did do it right. Why did mine fail? Did I not? Did I not? Was I stupid? Was I stupid? Oh. Yeah, I was stupid. This should have just been 2-1. No? Okay, now, what? So, I don't... So what did I do when I said let equals 0, 2? So that's a range. So let test2 equal 0 equal... Now I'm guessing this is an inclusive. So this is a size, okay, of 12, and this is a size of 8. So because mine didn't, okay, got it. Makes sense. Makes sense. All right, what do you got? Next question, sir. Okay. Make this an if let whose value is sum. I don't. So okay. So this. So word. Optional target. No, this has to be some optional target. Equals word. This is what I'm thinking. I don't know if that's right, but that's what I think. To make this a while let statement, remember while let. You remember that VecPop adds another layer of option. You can do nested pattern matching in if let and while let statements. While let statements. You gotta clarify that more. Rust while let. Okay, so we have a loop. I actually haven't seen loops. So we have match. Well, okay, so the condition is interesting. Okay. Hmm. Um. Okay, while some. Okay, let's try this. While some. Using while it makes the sequence much nicer. Hmm. Assert. Integer. Assert. Range. how to use while let with a vector. Okay, let's try this. Next, an integer, optional. I thought the whole point. I don't really get while lets. I haven't figured them out. Here, so I could do match integer. Well, I should be able to just if integer dot okay. Then I can do this. How do I figure it out. Options. Options in Rust. How do you get the value? That's what I want. Well, how do I do something if I don't want to do anything? Match integer. Is there a this call that does nothing? That's not. Oh, that's cool. It says. Oh, that's nice. Push. I don't know. Why is dumb, right? Oh, but hold on. That makes sense. Oh, because it's going pop. What's that? I don't know. Can I just do this? No. Okay. What are you thinking? So your solution, same as my solution. Nice. Like to see that. Your solution. Some. Whoa, where you then? Some integer. Okay. I was not. Some integer. I'm very. There's something that does not bode well with my mind. I don't exactly know what it is, but this does not seem intuitive to me. I don't feel like I'm checking all my bounds, basically. Okay. Option point. Fix the compiler error by adding something to match the statement. Option point. Can't change this. Fix the compiler. How do you understand? So. Well, I don't. I don't get what I'm looking at anymore right now. Should I return a string? This was a string from would this work? No. So why would this not work? Expecting to point. Seriously, if I got rid of this, would this work? Interesting. Interesting. This is pretty cool. So if I did null here, or none, oh, I gotta do so the option point none. Does that have it? No. Let's test. Or no, it would be this, like this. Then I would do this. Yes, and then I can get rid of this. Okay, that's good. Assuming that's all that happened here. Wrap. What? Oh, solution 2. Matching option, but without moving out of some. Oh, this is wild. Matching over option, not to reference the option, but without moving. So if I'd match up here, that means inherently this is a reference. Okay, that makes sense. This makes sense to me. This is a little wild. Let's see. Let's continue rolling. Let's continue rolling. All right. 12. Hey, oh, we are finally more than halfway there. Nice. Error handling. This function refuses to generate text to be printed on a name tag. If you pass it an empty string, it'd be nicer if it explained what the problem was instead of just rendering none. Thankfully, Rust has similar construction options that can be used to express error conditions. Change the function signature and body to return result string instead of option. Okay. 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 Generate name text. What? Hi, my name is Beyonce. What? So generate name tag Beyonce. ToString as dref. And okay. Okay. So you are saying this okay. So that's what I was trying to do with the thing. So what I need to do is return and this. No? You know when you find out you can do one thing and you just keep on copying that one thing? That's kind of my ability with strings. I have not. Push string. Let's just push. No, it's a push string. Oh, it's an actual string, not a string ref. Well, whatever, we're gonna use the reference anyway. No? Let me just step you out. Testicles. Now I can't add my inability to make strings do what I want them to do. How should I have? Okay, so let me just try this again. Format. All these really cool things I can do with string. Forgot them all. All of them are forgotten. Not a single one I remember. Oh my god. Okay. So, we're running a game where you can buy items with tokens. All items cost 5 tokens. And whenever you purchase items, there is a processing fee of 1 token. A player of the game will type in how many items they want to buy, and the total cost function will calculate the total cost of the items. Since the player typed in the quantity, we get it as a string. They might have typed anything, not just numbers. Right now, this function isn't handling errors at all. You know that feeling? What we want to do is, if we call the total cost function on a string that is not a number, that function will return a parse int error. In that case, we want to immediately return that error from our function, not try to multiply and add it. There are at least 2 ways to implement this. Both are correct, but one is a lot shorter. So we parsed it. Can I match? I know this must be a match problem. I know it. I know it must be a match problem. How do I match this? It's gotta be match and error. I must have to match this. I would not accept this not being that case. Match an error in Rust. I should be able to say, okay, T, do this, error, E, do this, or parsing init error. How about this? Anything else? Any other problem? So we're gonna say quantity. Well, you get T now. So otherwise, that's my thought. No, I'm not gonna listen to your Rust. I'm not gonna convert it to snake case. I don't care about you. Nice. I wasn't too far off then. Okay, so what was their solution? The very verbose method propagate the air. What? So hold on. So here, do I need this? And then I could say let qty equal, and then I don't know. My question was if I could copy this and then do this. This syntax is weird, so I'm not sure I can gel with that yet. But I can make 3, right? And then just so this is interesting though. Yeah, I can basically okay. Okay. We'll accept that I'm still very stupid at Rust, and we'll continue on our journey. This is a program that is trying to use a completed version of total cost function from the previous exercise. It's not working though. Why not? What should we do to fix it? Don't change this function. So choosing little dude. Fix the compiler by changing the signature and body of the main function. Change this. So it is a reference string. Fix it. The signature of the body. So the do you need a result? Is that your problem? I'm assuming you can't. So why do you say this function? So you say I should, as I say, it definitely results. This is more complex than I was expecting. Okay, so that makes more sense because I have no clue what box dynamic error means yet. That is above my pay grade. Alright, it's probably the last one. Let's see what number 4 is. Okay. What? This function should always return an okay. Creation error. Value self as 20. Okay. So I'm assuming if value is greater than 0, I don't. Else. Yeah, whatever. You don't like stupid stuff. Okay, so negative. Creation. So, okay, error negative. Is that what that? Creative error. Else if value equals 0. Creator equals 0. Okay. Well, how would I match this? What value? It's kind of cool. I don't know what this order thing, yeah. Ah. Sneaky, sneaky. Alright. I think we're good. I think we did it. Day 5, done. Damn. So what did we look at today? Notion. Didn't do day 5 notes. Let's review. So today we looked at options. So there's still a lot about lets and how that works. So I don't understand. I feel like it's there, but I just am not getting it. Don't forget format. Don't forget format. The godsend of all string manipulation. Okay, so we have option and results. And results is linked to OK and error, which is basically a tuple of two results. Two values, a correct and false and an error. Okay, yeah, I found I don't know what range, I guess. Hints. So you can do like 1, 2, 3, which is 1, 1, and 2, or you can do 1 equals 3, which is inclusive. So it's 1, 2, and 3. All right, we did it. Did it, kids. Did it. Signing off. Rusting off.